Today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside of our Moccasin course, the read-only uh, course that we're doing. So let's pull it up and see exactly what we're going to be reading over today. Again, this is going to be exactly where we left off from yesterday. So he's doing a continuation. Basically, the whole module is one long continuation of reading. So everything that we read the day before, we're just going to pick up on the next day and start reading from there. So as soon as this gets pulled up, we can dive right into the topic we're going to be going over today, and we can get things going. So next, we will be prompted to confirm the password. So this is what we'll see inside of our terminal. We have run the wallet command, important private key, enter your private key, enter a password to encrypt the private key, and then confirm that password. After confirming the password, we should see a message that says the private key account Anvil1, that's what we named our account, has to be saved to key store. Now, if we clear our terminal and run the command mox wallet list, we should see our account Anvil1 listed in the terminal. This is what we should see. We should see running wallet command, found one account, Anvil1 is the account it found. Now, this is the method we will use whenever we want to see a list of the accounts we have stored in a key store. We can run a command to view our